Good day, folks. This is a Garmin Forerunner 165 review with your favorite Sicilian ragazzo that even Pavarotti would be proud of. Garmin Forerunner 165 Pros. Good price for so many features. Good battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode. Supports mobile payments via Garmin Pay. Garmin Forerunner 165 Cons. Lacks dual-band GPS, which can lead to occasional inaccuracies in pace tracking, unsupported triathlon sports modes, heart rate accuracy issues. Music storage is only available on the more expensive Garmin Forerunner 165 music model. Who would the Garmin Forerunner 165 ideally suit? The Garmin Forerunner 165 is ideally suited for runners and fitness enthusiasts who want a dedicated GPS running watch with advanced features for tracking their workouts and providing personalized recommendations. I would give this a rating of 4, 5/5, as it is perhaps the best Garmin watch in terms of value or price-benefit ratio. And now for the review with all the Garmin Forerunner features and specs and more. This Garmin smartwatch has so many features that instead of the Italian jokes, I will try to cover as many features as possible. Design and build. The Garmin Forerunner 165 design and build quality is robust and is characteristic of Garmin wearables. The watch features a reinforced polymer case and a touchscreen display protected by chemically strengthened glass. The bezel material is also made of reinforced polymer, giving the watch a sturdy feel. The 5-button physical layout provides an alternative to touchscreen interactions, ensuring seamless operation. The watch is suitable for wrist circumferences ranging from 126 ml to 203 ml, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for most users. The watch's overall aesthetics are sleek and sporty, making it well suited for runners. The lightweight construction, weighing 39 grams with the silicone strap, is comfortable to wear during exercise. This watch is so light, I feel like I could outrun a speeding Vespa through the streets of Palermo. The strap itself is made of silicone, which provides a secure and breathable fit. This Garmin Forerunner watch is water-resistant to 5 ATM. The watch measures 43 mm in diameter and 11.6 mm thick, which sits between the larger Forerunner 265 and smaller 265S in terms of size. Before I continue, I want to say I know you guys think I'm a spaghetti-eating Sicilian clown whose only function is to charm the ladies, but believe it or not, I spend a lot of time and get through a lot of cannoli making these videos, so a nice comment would make Nonna also happy. Display. The Garmin Forerunner 165 screen is a vibrant 1.2-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 390 pixels. The AMOLED technology provides deep blacks and vivid colors, making the screen easily readable even in direct sunlight. The display is also chemically strengthened for added durability, but please note the watch is not immune to scratches, as I found out upon my usage. In terms of brightness, the Forerunner 165 offers multiple levels to choose from, ensuring optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. The always-on display mode is available, keeping the screen illuminated at all times for easy glanceability. However, this feature can impact battery life, with some users reporting the need to charge the watch more frequently when using always-on mode. Touch sensitivity of the display is responsive, allowing for easy navigation through the watch's menus and features. User experience and interface. The Garmin Forerunner 165 offers a seamless user experience, making it accessible to both tech-savvy users and those who prefer traditional controls. The interface is user-friendly, with both touchscreen and button navigation, ensuring ease of use during various activities. The initial setup and configuration are straightforward, with clear on-screen instructions guiding users through the process. The watch's customizability options are extensive, allowing users to personalize their watch faces and settings to suit their training needs. Users can select the data fields they want to display on their watch face for each activity, prioritizing the ones that show first and customizing the order in which they appear. This level of customization enhances the overall user experience, making the watch a reliable and effective tool for tracking fitness and health metrics. During usage, users have reported minimal issues with lag or freezes, indicating a robust and reliable performance. The combination of physical buttons and touch input provides a user-friendly experience, making the Forerunner 165 a practical choice for runners and fitness enthusiasts. Performance and software. The Garmin Forerunner 165 is no doubt a high-performance running watch. It's like having a Ferrari strapped to your wrist, but without the speeding tickets. Under the hood, it runs on a robust processor and 4 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless navigation and responsiveness. The watch operates on Garmin's proprietary operating system, which is designed specifically for fitness and running applications. The Forerunner 165 boasts a smooth and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate through various features and settings. The watch is compatible with a wide range of apps, including those for music streaming and training plans. One of its standout features is the ability to create custom structured workouts and receive real-time feedback on performance. The watch also includes unique software features such as body battery, which tracks recovery metrics, nap detection, which monitors sleep patterns, and morning report, where you receive a report of your sleep and training outlook as soon as you wake up. Battery life. The Garmin Forerunner 165 battery is excellent, easily meeting Garmin's claims. According to the Garmin website, smartwatch mode, up to 11 days, battery saver smartwatch mode, up to 20 days, GPS only GNSS mode, up to 19 hours, all systems GNSS mode, up to 17 hours. The Forerunner 165 uses Garmin's efficient AMOLED display technology to maximize battery life without sacrificing the vibrant screen. Upon my testing, the Forerunner 165 matched Garmin's 11-day battery life claim in smartwatch mode. The watch easily lasts multiple days between charges, even with heavy use. For a running watch at this price point, the battery life is truly outstanding. With battery life like this, you could practically run the entire length of Italy. Just remember to pack your spaghetti for the journey. Charging the watch is quick, with a full charge, taking just a couple hours. However, it does not support wireless charging, which I wish it had, like the Apple Watch. Health and fitness tracking. According to Garmin, the Forerunner 165 excels at health and fitness tracking, providing accurate and comprehensive data to help users reach their goals. However, upon my testing, I have found the heart rate measurement to not be as accurate as a chest strap. The built-in GPS accurately tracks outdoor workouts, although it may experience occasional issues in dense tree cover. The watch offers 25+ built-in GPS and indoor sports apps, including running, cycling, swimming, and strength training, with each mode providing relevant metrics and features. I love the idea that there is a sleep score, where I get a breakdown of my sleep stages and gain detailed insights for improved sleep quality. Integration with the Garmin Connect app and other platforms such as Strava enables users to analyze their data, create custom workouts, and participate in challenges. The app's recent overhaul has improved its usability, making it easier to navigate the wealth of information and features. One of the cool features is the race predictor feature that estimates the user's race time for various distances, such as 5K, 10K, half marathon, and marathon. This feature is available both on the watch and in the Garmin Connect app. However, there are some discrepancies between the race predictor times displayed on the watch and in the app. For example, the app may show a 5K predicted time of 38 minutes and 7 seconds, while the watch shows a time of 1 hour 4 minutes and 42 seconds, which is significantly different and not correlated with the app's prediction. This inconsistency has been reported by users and is currently being investigated by Garmin. The exact cause of the discrepancy is not clear, but it may be related to differences in the algorithms used by the watch and the app, or variations in the data used for the predictions. Connectivity and compatibility. The Garmin Forerunner 165 offers a range of connectivity options and compatibility with various devices and platforms. It features Bluetooth connectivity for pairing with compatible heart rate sensors, foot pods and other Ant Plus sensors. However, it only has Wi-Fi connectivity in the Garmin Forerunner Music version. The Forerunner 165 is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, allowing users to sync their activities, receive smartphone notifications, and control music playback from their watch. The watch does not have cellular connectivity, so users cannot make or receive calls directly from the device. While the Forerunner 165 does not have a built-in microphone or speaker for voice calls, it can display incoming call notifications from a paired smartphone. Users can view caller ID information and reject or silence incoming calls directly from the watch. Price and value for money. The Garmin Forerunner 165 price is a budget-friendly smartwatch designed specifically for runners, offering a range of features at an affordable price. The base model retails for USD 249, while the Music Edition is priced at USD 299, which includes support for offline music listening. In comparison to other smartwatches in the market, the Forerunner 165 offers a compelling value proposition. For example, the Garmin VivoActive 5, which is priced slightly higher at USD 299.99, offers additional features like triathlon support and a more comprehensive smartwatch experience. However, the Forerunner 165 provides a more focused running experience with advanced features like Garmin Running Power and daily suggested workouts.